Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today we're going to talk about this little guy, the Lavany Mini Facial Cleansing Brush, which could be a dupe for the Clarisonics. Hey guys, before we proceed, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below so that we can stay in touch. Anyways, did you guys see my Clarisonic videos? If you did, you guys know that I was hesitant to recommend the devices predominantly because of their price points. They're priced anywhere from $169 to $349, at least the ones that I tried, and then you need to add on other brushes on top of that. So when Lavany contacted me about this little thing, I jumped at it because this one retails for only $39.99. It's available through Amazon and Amazon Prime, and Prime means you can get this one delivered within just 2 days. And because it's above Amazon's threshold, even if you don't have Prime, you will get a free shipping on them. And this one comes with the actual device, a soft facial cleansing brush, a regular facial cleansing brush, and a little charging cum drying stand. That's perfect, isn't it? Now the device has only one button. It is completely sealed, so it's completely waterproof. So you can take this one straight into your bathroom, which is perfect. It has 2 speeds. This is the regular speed. And then you press it again. That's your faster or kind of more intense speed. You press it again to stop it. The device has a 1-minute cleansing cycle, which means you will be cleaning your face. Every 10 seconds, it kind of buzzes or pauses to remind you to move from like one area of your face to the next. And then after the 1 minute, it kind of shuts itself off. Now to charge or allow your device to dry, you just drop your device in the charging stand, and it has blue lights that light up for a few seconds. Now the box does state that this blue light is for sterilization purposes, but I couldn't find any information anywhere stating that this was an ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light does sanitize your brushes, but since this is just a blue light, I wouldn't just take their word for it. I would go with the alternative suggestions in the manual instead, which is allowing your brushes to thoroughly air dry after each use, and then cleaning them thoroughly after every 3 days and allowing them to dry completely before using it again. So that way you would remove any nasties that might get accumulated. But besides that, I have a few pet peeves about the device, and they're both kind of regarding the charging stand. The first thing is that the charging stand is just open at the bottom. So when you drop your brush in, you can see that the brush head comes flush with this bottom rim. Of course, you have these little legs to keep them away, but I don't feel comfortable doing so because, you know, there could be like slight standing water on your counter, and this height is not too much to prevent your brush from touching that. So I would just recommend putting the cap on and then letting your brush dry. Always let it dry, bristles side down, whether this be your cleansing brush, your makeup brushes, your painting brushes, anything. Always dry them bristle side down. And then my second pet peeve is that it comes with a USB point. It comes with a USB point, and then it does not come with a USB adapter that you might need to charge it somewhere in your house. So you either need to charge it on your computer, or you will need to hunt one down of your own or buy a new one, which I don't like because that's an added step, and it just, you know, it's just an added step, which I don't like. But anyways, the manual does recommend that you should change the brush heads every 3 months. The replacement brush heads are not available yet, so I don't know what the price point is going to be, but just the brushes from Clarisonic are as much as the whole device costs, so I'm hoping that the brush heads are affordable. I have asked them about it, so once I find out, I will update the description box below to let you guys know what the prices are and such. So overall, I like the little design. I find it like, you know, that it fits in my hand very comfortably. It's very easy to use. I did use it yesterday. I haven't used it for a very long time because I just got it a week ago. And, you know, you can say this is a first impression. So I will update you guys in a future video about how I feel. But the brushes, at least in my opinion, are either softer than or of the same softness as the Clarisonics. I like that it comes with two separate brushes, so you can use the softer one for your face and then use the normal one, for your neck and, behind the neck. And then I am kind of hoping that the company comes up with a makeup brush head and a massaging brush head. Then this would be like a total replacement for the Clarisonics. As I told you guys, I am loving the brush head from the Clarisonics, so I was hoping that they already have it, but they don't. I tried to actually remove the makeup brush head from Clarisonic and fit into this, but it doesn't. The Clarisonic one is a tad bit larger and it doesn't fit in. I was very sad that it didn't, but I hope they do come up with those two. If they ever do, I will let you guys know. I think I'll probably make a separate video about it, because I think I'm going to be very excited if they can come up with the makeup brush head for this device. Now, the exciting part. The company representative who contacted me did say that they will give you guys a discount code which you can add so that the device is going to be even cheaper. I don't know what the terms of the discount code are and how much the discount is going to be. I just don't have that information at this point. But once I do, as I said before, everything is in the description box. If anything changes, it's in the description box. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and having this information. Do let me know in the comments below what you guys think. So do let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I'll have the link for this device in the description box for you. And thank you again for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get all the updates. And thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!